Hi, in this short video, I'm going to talk about vectors in C++. A vector stores multiple values of the same data type. In this picture, the array on the left has a fixed size. It has 3 fixed slots, so it cannot grow. But the vector on the right is different. It has dynamic size, which means it can grow when needed. For example, it already stores 10, 20, and 30, and later we can still add 40. So the main idea is that a vector is more flexible than an array. It can also grow or shrink, which makes it very useful in C++. Vectors are part of the STL, or Standard Template library. Now, let's look at how we use a vector. First, we need to include the vector library with include. Then we can declare a vector like this, vector nums. This means nums is a vector of integers. To add an element, we use pushback. For example, nums pushback 10 adds 10 to the vector. If we want to access an element, we can use nums 0. And if we want to know how many elements are in the vector, we use size. So vectors are easy to use, and the syntax is very similar to arrays, but they are more powerful. Finally, let's talk about why vectors are useful. An array has a fixed size, so it is less flexible. A vector has a dynamic size, so it is easy to add elements and better for changing data. This is helpful in real-life situations. For example, a shopping list can change. Scores can change during a game. The numbers of names can vary. And items in a game inventory can keep growing. So vectors are great when we do not know the exact amount of data in advance. Overall, vectors help make programs more flexible and easier to manage. Thanks for watching.